Hey beauties, so today I'm going to be showing you guys a new wig for a date night. It is from Hair, you guys, and the color, yeah! Look at this fiery red, I cannot wait. The scalp has already been bleached, I don't have to do anything there. And it already has its baby hairs and everything. It has an elastic band and it has adjustable straps in the back. I'm literally gonna cut the wig and pop it on. And then I'm gonna style it. So you guys already know how to cut lace off of a wig. I've shown you guys how I do this a million times. But you just basically wanna cut as close as possible to the hairline without actually cutting the hairline. So you can take your time and do it. I never use the wig clips in my hair just because I don't want anything gripping on my hair, pulling out edges or pulling on my hair and being uncomfortable. So I don't bother with those, and most times it's fine. Now the lace for this wig is not my complexion, as you can see. So we're gonna have to do some work inside of the wig. So I'm gonna grab my foundation and I'm just going to add that on the inside of the wig. Try not to push through too hard because you don't want it to come through on the other side. You definitely don't need to do this next step, but as an added measure, I always put a little bit of setting powder. You see how the color is instantly much darker and better looking, better matched to my skin tone? So the wig is on now, but obviously I have to do some more work. Firstly, there's no ear flap, so I have to cut the lace here to make space for my ear so it fits flush. I literally just cut out a triangular bit right here. About this much. And now for my favorite bit, I'm going to glue down the wig. All you need to do is spray a little on there, and I do it a little at a time. And then I glue it down and cut off the rest of the lace. So now I'm just gonna set the edges. And now I can concentrate on the rest of the hair. So it has a built-in separation right here, but I don't think I wanna wear the hair like that. I wanna wear it down the middle. Because it's been shipped in a side part, it won't lay flat in the middle if I were just to part it. So I wet the hair and then blow dry it into the position that I need to make sure it lays flat in the middle part. And this is what it looks like. These are the results from blow drying. Now I just need to straighten the hair. I'm using the chase method. And then after I'm done straightening the hair, I just cut the ends that look a bit frazzled. And then I go ahead and take off my headscarf and lay the edges. I really don't need to because the edges look pretty good, but I'm just gonna do a little bit extra so that if my hair were to move in the wind or something, that the sides look as good as the front does. Okay guys, that is it. Hair is laid. It took me about 15 minutes to get this done. I'm just gonna get dressed. And that's it. I'm just gonna enjoy my little date night. So let me know what you guys think. All the information is in the description bar for you guys, and there is a discount code if you would like to try this hair. Thank you for watching. Bye guys.